The night was quiet, but danger was already close. A hyena caught a scent it shouldn't have. One step closer and everything could be lost. A mother senses the threat before it arrives. She doesn't hide. She charges. Size doesn't scare her. Nothing does. The first strike shocks the predator. The hunter realizes this isn't easy prey. She stands guard. No second chances. Only when the danger is gone does she return. In the wild, courage is louder than claws.